Hi beautiful people, let's massage our face together. I'm using rosehip seed oil, but you can use whatever facial oil you like. If you didn't know, we carry a lot of tension on the center of our face, so it's always nice to indulge in some self-care and relax. Facial massages shouldn't be limited to just going to the spa. You can do it right at your home, at your convenience. Whenever I have the time, I love doing these motions on my face. I feel so rejuvenated after. Studies show that massaging your face regularly relieves tension, aids in lymphatic drainage, and relaxes the muscle. Hope you guys add this in your self-care routine. Follow for more.
My 15-day face massage transformation. EW double chin. Day 15. Who is she? Get it, sis.
Are you lifting up your forehead when you do your facial massage? That is wrong. Lots of people do this way because you want to have like a lifted face, but that's opposite, because the more you up it, because this muscle, frontal, is always up, like this, up. The more you do, it worsens, and you get more horizontal lines on the forehead, which is good for Botox. But if you don't want to do Botox and you want to relax, down, always down. And if you want to lift up your face, that's a different story.